There are only 4 Grand Slams in the world, and we are the first. We're more than just a sporting event, we're an entertainment event.
Performances everywhere this year, it's massive.
We have to take this to adapt it to the 4 separate arenas.
Come day one, it's showtime, and we are very, very conscious that the world is watching.
Live events is all about having enough creativity and that the fan gets really engaged.
We're responsible for the events that are going on in the arena. That's everything from pre-match entertainment to ceremonies to the walk-ons, the LED content on the screens.
This visualizer is something that we've built so that as we create the content, we've got some idea of what it looks like on the arena. One of the key philosophies for us when we're building things is to treat the walls around the arena as a window. We want it to actually be something that you kind of get a glimpse of another weird and wonderful world.
It comes with a lot of inherent risks. One of our jobs is to get the crowd excited, create that energy so it comes through in the stadium, it gets the players really excited. But then, unlike other sports, you have to go quiet. The risk's quite significant. If we trigger a piece of content during a critical moment of a match, which changes the result of the match, we have not just thousands and thousands of people sitting in our stadium, but we also have 900 million people watching us over 14 days. The eyes of the world are on here.
That live events team have got to be extremely precise. They've got to read the crowd. Every single fan in that stadium wants to have an experience that they will remember for the rest of their lives.